Boy, when I grow up, I want to be just like Nick Cannon. Welcome back to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. This video would normally go on my other channel, which is Hot Topics TV, and I will leave a link in the comment section and pin it so you can hit that link and go over to that channel, because this is where I normally do these kind of stories at, right? This I'm a Jamaican channel, my Caribbean channel, and over there I'm a Yankee channel. But I'm bringing this story here today to give you a taste of what I would normally do over there, just in a different accent still. So Nick Cannon is truly unstoppable when it comes to extending his family, or should I say his bloodline. Nick Cannon, I want to be like him when I grow up. Welcome to SouFLoTV. Hit that subscribe button. I want to be like Nick Cannon when I grow up. Bank account full of money and slinging pickle everywhere to beautiful women who are willing to swell up them belly and have a bunch of babies for you. See, I don't have anything wrong. I don't see anything wrong with having a lot of babies, as long as you have a lot of money to take care of a lot of babies. I know a lot of people are going to say, yeah, you have a lot of money and you can take care of the babies financially, but they need you in their life. Hey, everybody is in agreement. One of these rich people vacation can't equal up to 100 of our own vacation. In other words, then, when they vacation, they vacation. Everybody on a private jet, these are experiences. Everybody on a private jet off to a private island where a mansion is reserved, 10 nannies on staff and 7 chefs and all these other things. Y'all talk about rich life. The kind of life that we dream about. The kind of life that, most of us will never actually. Alright, so let's take a quick commercial break and let me highlight this product for you. Organic, 100% natural Jamaican product for you. Made in Portland, Jamaica, home of jerk. F&M, located in Rio Grande Valley of Fellowship, Portland, Jamaica. The official rollout or unveiling will take place October 23rd to the 28th at Price Mart in Kingston, Jamaica. At this location on these days, they will be hosting a road show in Price Mart where they will have tasting and official introduction of their products. After that week of roadshow, the products will be available in Price Mart in Kingston and local supermarkets in Port Antonio, Portland. They will also be available on the web. Their website link will be posted right here, pinned in the comment section at fnmspices.com. Click the link and get you some of this authentic 100% natural Jamaican product. Yes, overseas shipping is available, and they have 3 products. They have the F&M Spices jerk sauce, they have the F&M Spices dried jerk seasoning, and they have the F&M wet jerk seasoning marinade. They are on IG, FB, which is Facebook, and they have an official website. Their slogan is taste and flavor matters, and you already know how we stay already as Caribbean people. Taste and flavor matters. This is a family-owned business with quality that is parallel to, or even I would say superseding, the larger companies. You have to look into this one. Alright, so give them a look. That's F&M Spices. Them thing look turn up for real. Back to our regular scheduled program at hand. See in real life. But anyhow, I don't know. Nick Cannon is not playing, because he has welcomed his 8th child with Bree Teese in June 28th. And 2 months later, listen to that part here. Listen. He welcomed his 8th child with a sister named Bree Teese on June 28th. We're talking 2022. And 2 months later, which is in August now, he has announced that he is expecting another baby with Brittany Bell. Obviously, all these women, and see, the thing that I respect about Nick Cannon is this. This is a gallus. This is what I tell people that the true definition of gallus is. because everybody knows about each other and there is no squabble. When they see each other at the grocery store, nobody is trying to pull out the next one here. You know, get a girl fight already. Or not even get a girl. I've seen classy women get down like this too. Titties flying everywhere, them shirt rip off, one man standing there, hit that bitch. The next one is like, oh, they're fighting over me. It made me feel so good. Ego inflated, right? In his case, all of them are willing to breed for him. And they're willing to breed for him without fighting with each other. They're willing to share him. I wonder if them actually call each other and say, hey, have you seen Nick? Because I haven't seen him in like a week. And one is like, well, I think he's over at Bree's house. And them call Bree. And Bree's like, no, he's over at Tia's house. And when them finally catch up with him, Tia is like, yeah, I've had him on lockdown for the last week. You know what I'm saying? Just putting it on him because we trying to go for baby number 4 over Yasso. Well, that was his 9th child. Belle and Nick already have 2 children together. Golden, who is 5 years old, and a daughter called Powerful, who is 1. You know what? I think so when you start have a whole heap of picnic to you see, you just start run out a name. Because everybody who have children, them try to get the most unique name or the prettiest name. Sometimes you combine the father name with the mother name. Sean, Jalen or whatever is the mom's name, and Sean is the father's name, and next thing the child name Shaylin or something like that. But you start running out of original ideas for names, so you just start name the picnic them anything. Anyway, they already have 2 children together. Golden is 5, and a daughter named Powerful. I don't know if a man would want to name him daughter Powerful. That's her name though. You know what I'm saying? He announced the news on Wednesday, August 24th. Today is the 25th that I'm doing this video. He announced this news with a video during the very pregnant Pepperdine graduate's maternity shoot. Time stopped, and this happened, is what he wrote in the caption. TMZ confirmed in June that he was actually expecting his 9th child with Abby De La Rosa. Now, this kind of sound misconstrued, so let me work it out for you. Abby De La Rosa doesn't have 9 children for him, even though it says he's expecting his 9th child with Abby De La Rosa. It means that the child that she's going to have for him is going to make it number 9. Now, while Tease was still pregnant, Abby was coming in hot with the 9th one. Since Belle is definitely over 3 months old, this would mean that all 3 of these women had a Nick Cannon bun in the oven at the same time. In other words, they're all sharing the pickle, and they all know about it, and they all raw dog in the pickle, and they all know about it. And the same pickle is swelling up all of them belly, and they all know about it. What a wonderful life to live. Good God, man. This is what you call polygamy at its finest. You know what I'm saying? Only difference is he's not marrying any of these women. He's just pumping the babies out. And hey, he's a man. He makes a whole lot of money. He's high profile. He's in the top 1% of earnings kind of thing. So, special privileges. You see, women have this tough talk, right? But I guess it's broke boy. But then again, I know enough broke man who have whole heap of picnic by whole heap of different women. But women are gonna talk. Oh, this is so wrong. It's nasty. I don't think you should be out here slinging pickle to all these women. You got 3 women pregnant at the same damn time, which means you were just going from woman to woman, all unprotected and all this. You know, them get real technical about it when it comes to that. But when we're talking about a multi-millionaire, almost a damn billionaire, then the conversation changes. It's like, me would I do it too? I wouldn't mind being his baby mama. I'm sure a lot of them would change their tune to say, I wouldn't mind being his baby mama, because guess what? If I have a baby for him, I'm rich. You got a baby by me, you rich, baby. I think it was 50 Cent that said that if you got a baby by me, then that mean you rich, baby. Which turned out to not be too true, because 50 Cent first baby mother that had his first son Marquise had a baby by him, and she didn't end up rich. 50 Cent made sure that he paid her the basics, and then when Marquise came off of child support as he hit 18, he went to social media to celebrate that this girl ain't getting $1 more from me, so go find your own way in life now. I only hope she was saving up some of that child support money. We shouldn't be too surprised, though, that Nick Cannon is living like this. The same week De La Rosa announced her pregnancy in June, Nick Cannon actually told Angela Yee on her Lip Service podcast that, let's just put it this way, the stork is on the way, adding that if you thought it was a lot of kids last year, wait till next year. The Wild 'N Out host has 7 living children after losing his 7th child, whose name was Zen. He lost Zen, baby Zen, from a brain tumor at just 5 months old in December of 2021. This man is fresh off losing a baby, and replaces that with 3 more. Zen's mother was Alyssa Scott. The next month in January, TC and Nick announced her pregnancy. 1 month after losing the baby with another woman, he announced a new pregnancy with another woman. He also shares twins, Moroccan and Monroe, 10 years old now, with his ex-wife, the legendary R&B singer Mariah Carey. I don't know if you should say Mariah Carey is R&B, or because she does more than R&B. She can sing. Well, she used to can sing. It's Mariah Carey. Everybody know Mariah Carey. Nick Cannon got in there. Everybody wanted Mariah Carey's womb. Damn, I'd love to have a baby with Mariah Carey. Well, Nick Cannon got the chance to do it, and he came out with twins. Mr. Life sweet to see. Nick has played around with the idea of getting a vasectomy, even making an appointment for the consultation just to talk to the doctor to see what would happen, like how they should go about doing it. While he clearly didn't go through with it, though, he will have to wait to see if he ever decides that, hey, listen, enough is enough. I don't want any more kids. I've had enough now. Now, following the announcement of his 10th child, the artist promoted his new song, which is called I Do, featuring Chris Brown. Bell has not shared news of the pregnancy at the time of this publication as yet. Nick Cannon's music has been a joke. It's been a running joke for the longest that, hey man, you're talented in many ways. You're a good actor. Should have seen him in Drumline and all this other stuff. And you tell jokes, good at comedy and all that. But the music thing, it's not flying for you. But hey, when you got a lot of money like Nick Cannon and you have the stage, then you can make things happen. And you can make a song what everybody says is not a hot song. You can make that song make millions regardless. So shout out to Nick Cannon for doing what he does. And if you remember clearly, Nick Cannon said that he has a autoimmune disease which he has lived with for the longest, but the life expectancy of people who have this disease is very short. So he expects to be checking out of life in the next couple of years. We're talking probably about 10, 15 years from now, he won't exist anymore. And he is very aware of that now that he is 41 years old. So he's going to have as many babies as he wants to, just so that his name lives on and he has the money to take care of them. So I can't blame the man. Go on, do your thing, Nick. I would do the same. Shout out to each and every one of you tuning in. Big up on yourself, manners and respect. Do you see something wrong with what Nick Cannon is doing? Or would you as a man like to live this type of life? Answer me. And you as a woman, do you see something wrong with what he's doing? Do you think this is nasty? Do you think this is cool? Talk up in the comment section below and I'll catch you on the next video. It's SouFLoTV. I'm out. Oh, and don't forget, hit that link that is pinned in the comment section and go over to my other channel, which is Hot Topics TV, and subscribe over there. All right, but bring a different vibes though, because it's not the same thing. I'm out. Peace.
It's all nice and flaky, very flaky. When you make your crust, it have to be flaky like this.
All right, my SouFLoTV audience, listen. If you have not found out about this channel yet and subscribed to this channel and started following this channel called Eat Good TV, I suggest that you go do so now. I did not even know that sweet potatoes can make a punch. I did not know that bammies can make burgers. I have never had pineapple pork before. I'm not even that good of a pork eater. But after seeing this lady, Miss Margaret, over at Eat Good TV do the pineapple pork, I tell you, say, I wanted to try the pineapple pork. Listen, man, she is setting the bar high, all right? And if you're into Jamaican food, I know you might be able to cook it already, but I guarantee you, you're not cooking it like she's cooking it. She is adding a twist to it. So, Miss Margaret, big up yourself over at Eat Good TV and SouFLoTV audience. If you're seeing this, please go find Eat Good TV and click that link and tell her I sent you.
I'm Steve Higgins, and I'd love to sing at your event.
All right, my SouFLoTV audience, here's an event that you don't want to miss. In joint celebration of Jamaica's 60th independence anniversary, Fowler, Samuels and Associates Group and the Steve Higgins Productions presents Love and Nostalgia. This inaugural gala concert celebration event will be held under the distinguished patronage of the Honorable Oliver Mayer, Consulate General of Jamaica to the Southern States of the United States. This is a huge event you don't want to miss. This year's gala concert will feature acclaimed Jamaican tenor Steve Higgins and his production cast in an intimate setting at the newly renovated Royal Palm Beach Cultural Center in beautiful Royal Palm Beach, Florida on Sunday, October 2nd, 2022 at 6 p.m. Audience attendees will comprise of Americans and persons from the greater Caribbean diaspora, brought together by a shared passion for theater and the performing arts. This gala concert event features the main act of Steve Higgins, along with Jamaica musical theater standout soprano Delia Winter and South Florida-based Jamaican balladeer April Marr. The three-member act has been delivering a rousing performance for audiences throughout this concert series, with recent performances in Houston, Washington, D.C., Birmingham, Atlanta, and the United Kingdom. This event, my friend, is one you do not want to miss. Again, the event will be held at the Royal Palm Beach Cultural Center in beautiful Royal Palm Beach, Florida on Sunday, October 2nd, 2022 at 6 p.m. See you there.